I have understood ladies to the extent that any message I type, it will get your heart. It will be hard for a woman to be in a period and stay around me for 10, 15, 20 minutes and I will not know, I will know. Good day, sir. Please, I was going through the audio in the relationship class. Thank you for taking time to teach us life. I have a question. How does a man get matured emotionally and psychologically? I want to know so I can start practicing. This question is saying that how can a man grow emotionally and psychologically, mentally, all the, that I keep talking about. You have to be mentally sound, emotionally sound, spiritually sound, physically sound. So this person is now asking, how can a man be emotionally mature? How do you grow in it? He wants to know so that he can grow. Number one, you have to study. Study. What do you study? You study women and know how to handle them and how they relate, how they behave. So you study by books, by reading books. If you are the type that read, I'm not the type that read, I don't read. You watch videos, that's where I belong. I watch videos a lot. Listen to audios, I listen to audios a lot. So you buy materials. If it's book, audio, or video, you buy them. You spend money on relationship matters. So you listen and learn. You learn. So you learn about emotional intelligence. You learn about emotions in general. You need to know what are emotions and how women operate and how you as a man operate too. So while you are learning that, then you will also now move to, because that's theory, you now move to practice. So whatever you are learning, you practice with your mom, you practice with your sisters, you practice with your girlfriends, and you practice with all the ladies around you. I did that a lot, and I'm still doing it, and I will keep doing it. There are a lot of things. For example, now, I don't send messages to ladies because I don't know how not to send a sweet message. Okay, you don't understand. I have understood ladies to the extent that any message I type, it will get your heart. I don't think there's any lady that I have chatted, especially because, and I will not chat with the lady that I don't like. Do you understand, right? I would definitely like her already. So because I like her, the way I will talk, I have learnt it. So I know the heart of a lady. I know how she should be taken care of. So most men don't even know who a lady is. They don't know how to take care of a woman. Like, this is a woman. It's not even your wife, it's not your mom, it's just a woman. You met her somewhere, you have not even liked her or not. You don't know how to understand her. For example, I say this all the time. It will be hard for a woman to be in a period and stay around me. I said stay before you hear something else. And stay around me for 10, 15, 20 minutes and I will not know, I will know. Therefore, the kind of treatment I will give her will be different. Because that's one period where women are kind of not happy. Their emotions are a bit scattered. They don't really like the whole menstrual period thing. Sometimes some of them comes with pain, some of them come with cramp. Some of them, it doesn't come with anything, but they are just, some of them you may hardly know, but it will be difficult for me. You stay in my presence for 20 minutes, I will know. In fact, some of them, just by looking at the way they are dressed, I can tell that, this person is in a period. Just by the way they are dressed. Yes, I can tell. Some of them, when they start talking. So it's a lot of different things. How did I know this? I studied and studied and studied. Some of them, when they need care, when they want to, like, not because they like you so much, but right now, they're going through some stuff. They just want someone to just talk to them. They just want to talk. Like, they just want to talk with you. They just want to talk, like, are you available? They cannot ask you that, but, whether it's via chat or whether it's via phone call or whether it's face-to-face, I will know. Can you know? I can know because I'm emotionally matured. I can look at a lady's eye and I can tell a lot of things. I can tell what's on her mind. A lady can greet me and I can tell the level of respect they have for me, whether it's high, whether it's low, whether it's small. I can tell what they want just by greeting me. I can almost predict the next thing. So all of this you can know by practice, by practice. For example, a lady can be harsh. It doesn't mean that she likes you, but she's harsh. But she likes you, but she's harsh. She's pushing you away. You guys are just meeting, but she's pushing. There's a reason. You can understand those things. It's the reason you hear me say things like, there's no lady I cannot talk to. I still keep saying these things. And I always back it up by telling you, this is one of the reasons why I say this. So you are now beginning to see many things that I know that makes me say these things. Hardly. There's no lady. You go hard. If I go see woman when I no go fit talk to, when I no go fit penetrate, when I no go fit, like, it will be hard. It will be difficult. Not on this earth. So how to be mentally balanced? You have to study mental things. What it means to be mentally balanced. You study books, read, then you start implementing. Emotionally balanced is the same thing. So you practice. For example now, you that ask this question now, even some guys, an average guy, if I give them a lady now to talk with, they cannot handle a conversation with a lady. And the reason you can't do that is because you are not emotionally sound. You are not emotionally intelligent. So a woman is an emotional being. A man is a rational being. So how do you switch from being rational to being emotional and being able to relate with a woman? Most men can't do that. So but for you to be able to do that, you have to study. Whether the woman is old, whether she's 90 or 19, I know how to talk to her. That's emotional intelligence. So how to become emotional intelligent or emotionally matured is by study. You study. Somebody has to teach you, either by books, either by class like this, either by video or by audio. You have to learn. You have to learn and learn and learn and learn. Then you go and implement. You learn, you go and implement. You learn, you go and implement. Then you become emotionally balanced. I mean, there are times when I see a lady, I just know that she just wants to talk. Like, my wants to keep quiet. Even if she's presenting a problem to me, it's not because she wants me to give her answer or she knows the answer already. Her way, a woman's way is to talk, so she wants to talk. I will just be there and listen. Sometimes I'm tired, but I'll just listen. Keep talking. When you're done, I will know. All right, so that's the answer to that question. Let's move to the next one.